Here at Rockwell Automation's World Headquarters, in partnership with Microsoft, Cyberdyne Systems, Stark Industries, Wayne Enterprises, and Wonka Confections, research has been proceeding to develop advanced analytical models supporting our line of automation products that establishes new standards for quality, technological leadership, and operational excellence, all designed to drive confection manufacturing powered via ecological energy sources designed to gain synergies through addressing gaps in justice systems. With customer and individual justice as our primary focus, work has been proceeding on the crudely conceived idea of an AI that would not only provide real-time insights on the inverse reactive arc currents for use in unilateral phase detractors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal gram meters and push notifications. Such an instrument, comprised of Dodge gears and bearings, Stark arc reactors, Allen Bradley controls, and all monitored by Rockwell software, is Rockwell Automation's Fabric Encabulator. Now, basically, the only new principle involved is that instead of data being generated by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it's produced by the quad-modal interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive directance fed into NVIDIA CUDA-Core technology for large language models built upon dynamic spanning clusters that feed into ChatGPT-powered Bing Chat to produce conversational processing. This output, along with 40 petabytes of 3D modeled images stored in OneLake, is used by a proprietary integration between DALL-E 2, Midjourney, and Azure Data Factory. While the original machine from 2008 had a base plate of prefabulated emulate surrounded by malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in a direct line with the panoramic fan, the latest model's solid-state emulate housing takes advantage of 128-bit emulate cores, driving the new base 100K spurving bearings kept within geo-alignment with the dynamic quad liquid-cooled thermal heat sinks that maintain a consistent temperature of negative 60 Kelvin below absolute zero. The new lineup consists simply of 60 million hydroscopic Marshall-vanes, so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft that side fumbling was effectively prevented. In previous versions, the main winding was of the normal Lotus O deltoid type, placed in a panoramic semiloid slots of the stator, every seventh conductor being connected by a non-reversible tremolo pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the gram meters. With advances from Cyberdyne Technologies, we no longer limit the non-reversible tremolo pipe and have full alignment between all conductors. Of course, the Lotus O deltoid has been upgraded to include Lotus O zone type set directly in each panoramic semiloid slots of the stator and eliminating the previous differential girdle spring and ensuring a constant up end of the gram meters. Moreover, fluorescent score motion is continuously available and employed in conjunction with the drawn reciprocation Wonka dingle arm that completely eliminates sinusoidal depleneration. The Fabric Encabulator has now reached a high level of development and is being successfully used in the operation of Milford trunnions. It's available soon, wherever Rockwell Automation products are sold.